Good morning, welcome back to the channel everyone. Today is Saturday, the 17th of March 2018. Saturday means always a great day for me because after a hectic week, I got a good weekend to spend with my family and with my cars and my bike. Saturday generally I do wash my vehicle. The same thing. Let's wash the vehicle properly. Yesterday the vehicle got dirty because it rained in Bangalore. It rained actually very badly in Bangalore, and for me from Jayanagar to my home it is 10 kilometers. It took 3 hours. I don't know why Bangalore traffic is like that when it rains, but unfortunately we cannot help it out. The traffic is like that. So let's clean the car. That car is very dirty now, and after that I would be going to Hosur to buy something. From Hosur we are going for lunch, which is somewhere close to Krishnagiri, and Krishnagiri is around 90-100 kilometers from Bangalore. So we'll go on a lunch drive, not a lunch ride. We'll go on a lunch drive with my family. So let's wash the vehicle first and then have my breakfast and go out for Hosur. I am leaving as of now to Hosur and would be reaching maybe around half an hour 40 minutes, because from here it is around um, 25 to 28 kilometers. So once when I reach Hosur, there's a surprise for you guys over there. So I'll see you on there. So hungry that we couldn't wait for the food to come or to record it, so we have not recorded anything.
In 400 meters, turn right, then turn left.
So we were just inside the Star Biryani, and after the food you get a mouth refreshener, which is really very good. So people from Hosur or people are coming to Hosur this side for this one, you guys can have your lunch over here.
A few moments later.
After lunch we didn't have time, so we rushed for Hosur, and look what I got for myself. That's a gift to me. Welcome back, guys. Yes, so this is the Hero 4 edition, Hero 4 Silver edition, Hero 4 GoPro Silver edition. The reason being I purchased from Hosur is that I have one of my subscriber who gave me a good discount on this. So that's the reason I went to Hosur and purchased this. And what and all I have along with the pack is that the GoPro box. Here comes the casing, GoPro casing. Here is another casing which I can add it on, because there's a charger which I can add it at the back. There are 2 batteries and the helmet mount. I have got the SD cards. I have got another add-on casing. I have a skeleton backdoor casing. The best part is that I purchased something which is a remote control of a GoPro. There are another 2 casings and the Hero 4 Silver edition. Generally Hero 4 you don't get as of now in the market because you already have got Hero 5 and Hero 6. But problem with the Hero 5, which is after 2017 edition, is that the Hero 5, the firmware is not supporting the external mic, and I require the external mic for my vlogging purpose. So that's the reason I was very particular about the Hero 4, right?
So I was very particular about the Hero 4, which I was looking for it, and suddenly I got a lead from one of my subscriber, and then went to him and purchased it. Now talking about this one, I had SJ4, SJ4000, which I would be definitely using again, because I would be using as my secondary camera. Now my helmet mount would be the Hero 4, and my secondary maybe the side one, or I'll put it on my top box, which also can record the rear view of the bike, or maybe on the road. And now talking about this one, talking about the remote control. The remote control is very useful, because when you are riding, every time you cannot switch on and switch off. Anyhow, one more thing guys, Hero 4 has got a one touch recording system, which none of the systems or none of the action cameras do have. They have got a one touch recording system, which is very good. And along with that, when you have this remote control, you did not operate from your action camera. All you need to do is go with the settings, understand the setting, and adjust according to your need. So that's it out. Let me go deep into it, because this is the first time I am using a GoPro. So I need to put my lot of energies in watching YouTube videos and all, so that I can learn something about it. And then from tomorrow onwards, I would be riding my bike with the Hero 4. With this said, Raj signing off. You do take care. God bless you. Bye bye. I'll see you tomorrow with a brand new vlog on a brand new day. Until then, bye bye. Take care.